Riding the winds, understanding gusts and breezes. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English lesson. Today, we're going to talk about an interesting and very important part of the weather: wind. More specifically, we'll dive into the terms gusts and breezes. These words describe different types of wind, and they can add detail to your conversation or writing when discussing the weather. Let's get started. Before we delve into gusts and breezes, let's make sure we understand what wind is. Wind is the movement of air from high-pressure areas to low-pressure areas. It's what you feel on your face when you step outside, what makes the leaves on trees rustle, and what allows kites to fly. It's an important part of our planet's weather system. Now, let's move on to breezes. A breeze is a light wind, usually not very strong. It's pleasant and mild. You might say, "There's a gentle breeze today," when the air is moving softly, and you can feel it lightly against your skin or see it gently moving leaves on the trees. Contrary to a breeze, a gust is a sudden, brief increase in the speed of the wind. Gusts are stronger and more intense than breezes. You'll often hear this term during stormy weather. If you see trees bending dramatically or loose objects being blown around, you might say, "The wind is gusting," or "There are strong gusts of wind today." Let's see how we can use these words in sentences. For breezes, you could say, "The cool breeze made the hot day bearable." I love reading a book outside when there's a gentle breeze. For gusts, you might say, "A gust of wind blew my hat off." The gusts of wind during the storm were very strong. And there you have it. Today, we've learned about the fascinating world of wind, specifically gusts and breezes. These terms can help you describe the weather around you in a more detailed way. Remember, a breeze is a gentle, light wind, while a gust is a stronger, sudden burst of wind. Practice using these words in your English conversations. Until next time, happy learning!